Set.
Away they go now. Renika Reed of Hydel got up pretty well in lane 6. She takes command early. Goes by Johnson and Muncie of Ferncourt and Immaculate respectively. Renika Reed of Hydel takes them into the home stretch. The battle is on for the other automatic qualifying spot to the final, but look at Renika Reed. She's going about her business in fine style and confidently as well. She gets there ahead of Ayana Ivy of the Convent of Mercy Alpha. 24.98 seconds, the winning time for Renika Reed of Hydel. Pennant is second, 25.73. That's Talexia Pennant of St. Andrew High School. Those two into
Hard to believe she's still in class 4. She's only in class 4, Renika Reed of Hydel. Gets up well. This is as they approach the straightaway. Hydel's Renika Reed running tall, nice lift. She looks like a quarter miler sprinting. And then, very confident run, shuts it down early. Runs like a veteran. Does not look like a class 4 athlete. Again, Reed starts well and entering the straightaways where she really began separating herself, and once she got on the straightaway, just pure dominance.
Nice sprinting technique, nice arm drives, nice knee lifts. She looks good coming home there, Renika Reed of Hydel. 24.98, faster than Heat 1. Officially then, Renika Reed 24.98 seconds. Ayana Ivy 25.73. Leanna Johnson from Ferncourt 25.77 sitting in the third. That's faster than the third place finisher in semi-final 1. So let's see what semi-final 3 will serve up. If Leanna Johnson will make the final eventually and represent Ferncourt High there.